Today, I'll show you how to change the email associated with your Cursor AI account, or more accurately, what your real options are right now, since there isn't a straightforward button for this in the app itself. Let's clear up the main point first. At the moment, Cursor does not offer a built-in way to change your login email from inside your account settings. That means when you open your Cursor dashboard and look through the settings or profile pages, you won't find an option that lets you type in a new email and save it. This is simply a limitation of how their account system is currently designed. Because of that, you can't change your email directly in Cursor's settings, even if you're logged in and you have full access to your account. This is important to understand, especially if you're planning ahead, moving to a new work email, or trying to consolidate accounts. It can be tempting to dig around the interface looking for a hidden option, but right now, that time is better spent going through the supported path. If you absolutely need to associate a different email with your Cursor account, the only possible route is to contact their support team. You'll want to write a clear, polite message that explains your situation. For example, you might mention that you created your account with one email, but you now use a different one for work, billing, or security reasons. Include any relevant context that helps them understand why you're asking for this change. It's important to set your expectations correctly here. Even if you reach out to support and explain everything, they may not be able to update the email on your existing account for you. Internally, they may have technical, security, or policy reasons why changing the login email isn't something they can reliably do. So think of contacting support as a request, not a guaranteed solution. In practice, many users who contact support about changing their email are given a different recommendation. Instead of editing the email on the current account, support often suggests canceling the old account and then creating a brand new account using the new email address you want to use going forward. This approach has a few implications to keep in mind. First, canceling your old account will typically mean you lose access to any account-specific history, preferences, or usage data tied to that login. If you're on a paid plan, you'll want to make sure you understand how cancellation affects your subscription, billing cycle, and any remaining time or credits. It's a good idea to review any important information or settings before you take that step. Once your old account is cancelled, you would then go to Cursor's sign-up page and create a new account using the email you prefer. From that point on, you would sign in with the new email, and any future usage, subscriptions, or settings would be tied to this new account instead of the old one. Since this process can be disruptive, it's worth thinking carefully before you start. If changing the email is more of a convenience than a necessity, you might decide to keep using the original email for your Cursor login and only update your contact or billing details elsewhere. On the other hand, if you're moving away from an email address entirely or you need everything consolidated under a specific domain, reaching out to support and following their recommendation may be the best path. So to recap in simple terms, Cursor does not currently let you change your login email from within your account. If you need to switch emails, your only option is to contact support, understand that they might not change it for you, and be prepared that they may instead advise cancelling your existing account and creating a new one with the email you want to use.